get started.
Yes.
Yeah. So अब so मैंने एक ग्रुप में मैसेज किया था saying that you read a chapter on Meek Dictator, which is Krishna Kumar's book on political agenda of education. So I just want to know how many of you have got a chance to read it, or at least from the title, how many of you can just give us a glimpse that okay, this is happening in that chapter. Anybody want to talk? Just let me know. Just tell us if you want to talk. We will unmute you and let you talk.
Yeah, this session is interactive session, so feel free to talk.
Yeah. So Deepak, do you want to talk or your hand is raised? So I believe you want to talk. Should I unmute you? Okay. Anybody who read the chapter on Meek Dictator? Anybody? What's happening there? What is Krishna Kumar saying there? Okay. So we will unfold. If you haven't got a chance to read it, that's fine. But do read it whenever possible, because that chapter is a very interesting storytelling. It's not an academic writing, it's more of a story. How teachers' role is evolved or defined, how teachers' role was defined historically in a context of colonialism, and then after that what happened, like how politics drove teachers role to be the way it is right now. So that's why I'm asking, please go and read that. This book is lovely book, Political Agenda of Education. If you don't get time, then at least read Meek Dictator. I'll just type it here, Meek Dictator. Okay. So now let's come to the point. What it means to be a teacher. What is your perspective on that? Like, what you guys think about being a teacher?
I think now you can speak, right? Because you have to give your own perspective here. What do you
Yeah.
think?
So, and every facilitator, yeah. So every facilitator has a different
Approach.
style. So this is our style. This is like, this is our approach. We believe in interactive sessions. Yeah. So Jayashree is saying imparting knowledge. Imparting knowledge is a very important part of teacher's role. What else?
Come on, we have 22 participants here, so we must get 22 perspective at least.
Yeah. Yeah, Deepak, tell me.
Hello, good evening. I'm Deepak from Kerala. So I feel teaching is about facilitating to help the child become self-reliant, kind of become a self-learner. That is how I see teaching.
Okay, okay. Fine, thanks. Others are saying, now Liz is saying facilitating learning. Okay, so making students learn is one of the job of teacher. Knowing the kids, understanding the children. Manva is saying stimulating inquiry. Shubhra Jyoti is saying a real teacher is a person who can understand and visualize things in students' perspective. Okay, so being a student, empathizing with student is one part, and imparting knowledge, imparting your core concepts is another part. Nilani is saying implementation of education in students. So all these perspectives form a teacher. Now let's just zoom in.
Friend, philosopher, and important as a guide. Understand the students' interest and guide them to higher learning.
Yeah. So I think Ruchira, are you facing network issues?
Hello? I can hear you well.
See network issues, Ruchira. Hello. Okay.
My
Okay.
power is off, so I'm using hotspot.
Okay. Okay. No
Yeah.
problem. So, yeah. Teaching or guiding subject. Shubhangi is saying that teaching or guiding subject of specialization to students in their field of study and side by side earning money. So it's a job, it's a service that you are providing. Um, Providing different perspective to students. This is Manasvi's perspective. Just is saying making them like we say that okay, guiding them to become something, mentoring them. Amruta is saying teacher inculcate child to into a citizen, to become a citizen. Something which we are imparting is our teaching. Now when you say, let's try to zoom in, and when you say that I am a teacher, what are you trying to say? Like I am Sharvari, I am a teacher. I am saying that Sharvari is a teacher or I am a teacher. That time, what do I mean? What do I do? Okay, Amruta is saying, I help child to learn in better way. Fine. I teach. For me, it is I teach or I facilitate.
Facilitate, yeah.
Huh. Or anything. You
Neelam,
guide people, not you, I.
this is kind of role play. So now you are a teacher. So you think as if कि मैं teacher हूँ तो मैं क्या सोचूंगी? मैं क्या what does it mean to me? Being a teacher means what to me?
Teacher. Now Satyam is saying this time or in history because the teacher is a good and bad character. Now वो क्या बोल रहा है कि टीचर के थोड़े कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होते हैं जो गुड होते हैं, जो होते हैं कि बैड होते हैं, तो हमें दोनों को मिक्स करके लेना चाहिए.
Satyam, talk about yourself.
हाँ.
Sasmita, I will request you to talk about yourself. I mean, yes, teachers should be passionate about his job, but I think if you are a teacher, then what does it mean to you? Talk with I. Mention I in your sentence. Nilay, I guide people to reach their goal with education as a goal. Okay.
Vishnu is
I
saying,
teach, impart information, knowledge to the children. Okay. I would definitely a path for learning. Interesting.
Okay.
See, it means kids can fall back on me.
This is a very interesting perspective that you as a teacher or I as a teacher are creating dependency on us. Now there are so many perspectives that we are getting. Madhurima is saying, I will teach them the concepts they have to learn with my view on it. Now, so Liz is saying, I guide my students in my specific area of expertise. I help them emotionally. Shubhangi is saying, as a teacher, I should be perfect and firm about my knowledge and concepts. We'll come to that. I don't know if it is so much required or not. But yes, but you have to give them a fallback mechanism. That is correct.
Yeah.
I will try to identify students' potential to develop them. Yeah. Ruchira, I think there is some
make
network
students
issue.
Question the things. Oh.
So we are not able to hear you properly. Amruta is saying it's my responsibility to groom child in various aspects like physical, emotional. So now we are getting so many perspectives about becoming a teacher, I being a teacher. Let's zoom in a bit more, and let's say now he or she is a teacher. Okay, now you are not a teacher. You are visualizing me or Ruchira as a teacher. Now, do you perceive about us? Or somebody is a teacher, not me. Somebody is a teacher. Why? What do I perceive about them?
Yeah. So now talk with he and she.
Yeah.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yeah. First form of influence, positive or negative?
Yeah. Nilani is saying they have huge responsibility. Liz is saying he or she teaches at the institution. That is the basic thing. Now, Nilani is again saying that she or he works with dedication. That is your perspective. Manva is saying they have good communication skill. So now you see that, okay, when you say that I am a teacher, and once you say that they are a teacher or he or she is a teacher, what is the difference between two? Perspective changes, right? Yes. So when I say that I am into certain position, this is completely different than I am saying Ruchira is in that position. Tamanna Asmi is saying she should treat me as a second mother. Okay, this is your perspective on being a teacher. Amruta is saying he or she should deliver the knowledge. Now, when you talk about he or she, the should part or must part come into picture. And when I say that I am a teacher, I am doing this. This part is coming into picture. You can feel the difference, right? Okay. Now, the next thing.
She is my teacher.
When a child is saying that she is my teacher, what does the child mean?
So now you are that child. You are not a grown-up person. Okay, you are not a parent. You are that child who is looking up to his or her teacher. Now tell me, what is his or her role?
So let me tell you something. You are bringing in such a great responses here.
Yes.
And we are feeling that, this is amazing to get such responses.
Yes. She is mine, connected. Yes. A sense of belonging, a kind of ownership. Loving, understanding person who could convey lessons clearly to me and help me. Right. She is dependable.
Okay. Susmita, just think a bit more. Perspective differs from child to child. But if you are that child and you are saying she is my teacher, what will you imagine?
Think about your teacher when you were in school.
Aditya is saying she's my mother. She's like my mother. Manva is saying I like to listen to her. Aditya is again saying that, okay, she is very important part of my life. Vaishnavi is saying he or she tries to say that she is the one who teaches me. Fine. Amruta is saying she can understand.
She is ideal for me. Yes, Shubhangi. Jayashree is saying mind we don't tell to that all teachers though, someone who connects me or rather gets me. So think about that teacher with whom you connect.
Yeah. So, but a teacher with whom you did not connect.
Think about her also. Yeah, think about her also. Why didn't you like her? She's my caretaker when I cry for seeing my mother.
Yeah. Yeah. So basically, now when you are chatting, right, that time, put the option all panelists and attendees so that others can view your responses.
Yes.
Because she is
very considerate of just not me, but all students. Yes. Satyam is saying she introduced his teacher. She proud to introduce his teacher. Satyam, we
Okay.
are not getting your point here.
So now see that the care factor, the
Yeah.
understanding factor, the motherly feeling becomes much more important for a child, right?
Yes.
Maybe that's the way the system has been designed, that okay, a teacher's job has to be driven by the ideology of care, isn't it?
Yes. Care, kindness, belongingness.
Yeah. And I think the teacher's job for a child is a sacred job, isn't it?
Yeah.
And Amruta is saying scared for many teachers in school, but school days, she was scared of, is it? And in college, some teachers were
Yeah.
encouraging. Okay. Jayashree is saying because some dots get connected, some dots don't. Or somehow
Somehow, maybe
I
I failed
failed.
to get connected to that teacher
Right.
whom I didn't like much during my growing
Yeah.
days. True. So
Now when
now, next question. My kids considered everything that the teacher said as right, and I was the illiterate. That's true.
okay. Next. When someone says that I want to become a teacher, now I'm not a teacher. When somebody says that I want to become a teacher, what do they mean?
Wow.
Vaishnavi is saying they are passionate to become a teacher. Yeah, but what are they passionate about?
So what is your perception when you listen और जब आपको कोई आके बताता है कि I want to become a teacher, तब आप उसके बारे में क्या सोचते हो?
नहीं. They want to become a kingmaker. Wow. Whatever they have learned, they want to impart and shape children's thoughts. Okay. Shubhra Jyoti is saying in school there were some persons. Okay, so basically you say that okay, some people become teacher just because they want to earn money, they want a stable and secure job. That's why they become teachers. Perfectly fine. But um, but people who really want to become teacher, uh, what do they mean? Like, have you said that? I mean, have you felt it? Okay, I want to become a teacher.
They want to give something logical to new generation. Okay, Pragati? Manva is saying they want to share what they know. Okay. Love
They
to
love to
connect with
connect.
children. So many responses are coming. We're liking this. They love and enjoy being with the young ones. Okay, Liz?
Okay. So now here, when we are zooming in from very different perspective, from my perspective, from their perspective, from child's perspective, and from someone else's perspective, do you see the difference?
If yes, then what? And if no, then what? Vishnu is saying yes. Vishnu, why are you saying yes?
Okay. So responses here are good conversation skills. Then teacher has to be self-motivated, and teacher want to impart knowledge. Teacher who the one who is who want to become a teacher, they should fall in love with their expert areas and children. These are the kind of perspectives we are getting.
So Neil is saying, yes, when it was they, I merely looked at it as a profession.
Hmm.
Shubhra Jyoti is saying, please repeat the question. So question was, like here you went through, like you had perception, right? And you thought from teacher's angle, being a teacher, then you thought from others angle, how do, like, you know, when she's a teacher, then you thought from child's perception also. And then when you were thinking about, like, when someone is saying I want to be a teacher, so do you see any kind of different in your perceptions when you were thinking from all these angles? And if you saw that, then what was that and why was that? And if you did not see any difference, then what is your thought behind that? Deepak is saying, yes, they are all looking for the missing element from their stance.
Yeah. So the caring and loving perspective was highlighted when I looked at it from child's perspective.
Yes.
Yeah. And the difference was emotional connect, Liz is saying. Manwa brought up that child's perspective of emotion. So from
Yes.
child's perspective, it was more of emotion. From my perspective, it was more of my passion.
Yeah.
Then from somebody else's perspective, it was just about their profession, isn't it?
Yes. Yes. I think Amruta is saying that. Where is that? I just saw her comment here.
Yeah. So Vishnu said, when I am in a picture, it is more about esteem. When someone else, we want them to be perfect. When child, it is more about, when child in question, we look only as a job. No, I didn't get you, Vishnu. When it is about becoming a teacher, I think you must be loving to children and understand their pain. Amruta is saying, if it is mine, I know about my potential. And for the third person's perspective, it is about more of expectations. So guys, I just want to tell you that, okay, these things, these perspectives exist. And why we are conducting this session, this particular session, is not to give you understanding from the systems part. It is but more of placing a teacher in a system and understanding about 360-degree view of the teacher. Okay. Now let's say that, okay, I being a teacher in a school, I feel that my job is to teach. But I have been given so many responsibilities that I'm not able to fulfill my job well. Or otherwise, there is this autonomy debate in teachers world always. Let's talk about that. Now, if you want to become a teacher, what do you need to do? Now, need wise, from your past responses, from your earlier responses, you need to be loving. You need to be master of your subject. You need to impart your knowledge. You need to facilitate. You need to make children learn, right?
Yes.
But now imagine, most of you are teachers, but those who are not teachers, अब ये बताओ कि अगर आप टीचर हो तो आपको पूरे दिन में क्या क्या करना पड़ता है?
What are your day-to-day tasks? Tell us about that. अगर आप स्टूडेंट हो तो आप देखते हो आपको टीचर्स को क्या क्या काम होते हैं, राइट? Teacher in class, book correction, other admin work. Okay. Face challenges. What kind of challenges? If you don't mind mentioning them.
Collecting attendance.
Collecting attendance. Preparation of particular chapter. main task is to try making each and every student understand the topic. Take care of children, teach, counsel them, check homework. Yes, doing other works apart from teaching.
Like what?
Like what? Yes.
Problem solving, fantastic. Teachers always do that, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. They are the
Discipline. Duties like election duty, like population census duty. But
yes.
why are they made to do those duties?
Check their uniform. Sometimes tiffins also. So my teacher used to check my tiffin after the recess.
Okay.
That's where the system needs to be questioned. Okay.
Yeah, fine. Now there are so many responses. We are not able to take them all. But let's say
Yeah.
you are a teacher who is monitoring or managing your task. Who is monitoring the task? Who is your manager? HM or head? Principal.
Principal.
Okay. Administration.
Administration.
HOD.
Aditya, are you a college student? Myself sometimes. Okay. Your peer?
Maybe coordinators.
Yes. HOD?
College, school or college management if you're teaching at college.
Yeah.
HOD. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So somebody else is managing your task. Somebody else is telling you to what to do apart from, how to teach. Apart from how to teach, maybe somebody else is telling you and monitoring all your jobs, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So the next question, what all powers do you have?
As a teacher.
And where all your hands are tied? What are you looking forward to do and you are not able to do? और क्या क्या चीजें ऐसी है जो कि आपके पास पावर है करने का और आप करते हो?
या फिर कर सकते हो? सिलेबस, एग्जाम्स. सिलेबस का पावर है आपके पास? Sometimes do not have a choice of a subject. Only power is with kids.
Means while teaching they have power.
There are restrictions. There are restrictions. Time management, not syllabus. Class control, time restrictions. The time frame of teaching. Syllabus, etc. Not in our hand.
And what are powers? Powers क्या है आपके पास? ये तो limitations हो गई, लेकिन powers क्या है? As a teacher, do you feel powerful? Okay, मेरा job तो इतना powerful है कि मैं क्या क्या कर सकती हूँ?
Yes. Only knowledge we have, true power. Do you really think so? Power is only knowledge.
Freedom on how I should teach.
Yes.
Which gets restricted due to peer pressure and maintain a quiet class. Wow. Shape up their understanding.
To tell children what's right and wrong, influencing the next generation.
Okay.
So bringing change basically.
Now the next very important point. Now we have seen through all these pointers. Let's conclude. Let's understand that do you feel as a teacher you have autonomy? Do you have enough autonomy in your role? Not enough, very little, not much. Half yes. Okay. Percentage wise कितना autonomy है?
Not 50-50 maybe. Any other percentage? Okay, 20, 25, 30, 50, 70, 20, 30, somewhere close to 20.
Okay. So can you conclude this, Ruchira?
So they might be.
To conclude this discussion, we as teacher have very little autonomy. And yes, autonomy is there, immense power is there, but still it is restricted. Like
Yes.
from all of your responses. Now, let's see what it means.
Being a teacher.
What does child expects you to do? Here, it's not about feeling, it is about
Yeah.
doing.
Yeah.
Feeling was the earlier part. Now,
Yes.
you are a teacher. What is child expecting you to do?
Think about it and answer.
Make him
Make him
understand
understand.
concepts.
Very simple way. And somehow make them to achieve their goal. Okay. And
Now Soham is saying that
to
अरे
loosen.
इतना restriction मत करो हमारे ऊपर थोड़ा सा लूज दे दो.
ये बंदा इंजीनियरिंग वाला है पक्का. Teacher should understand my situation other than scolding. Okay. Concept should be cleared. Make him
Fulfill their
interest.
curiosity. Wow, this is a wonderful point.
Yes.
बार बार
Yes.
बच्चे आते हैं ना
Very
भाग भाग के
important.
टीचर 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 मैंने ये कर दिया और ये हो गया वो हो गया.
So when I was in school, मैं मतलब बहुत पढ़ती थी और जो भी questions आते थे, though I had Google, मैं Google पे कभी भी search नहीं करती थी. I used to go to my teacher and ask her everything. तो उससे
Okay.
दो चीजें हो जाती थी. तो टीचर को भी समझता था कि I am reading, and other thing is मेरी curiosity भी हो जाती थी.
Good listener. So child wants
Yeah.
you to be a listener. Vishnu is saying, just leave them, let them do their task, don't interfere, but whenever they need help, be there. Yeah.
Okay.
So many children want that also. Now
Yeah.
parents, from a parent, as you as a teacher, like from parent, there are a lot of expectations.
Approachable. Yes, Ayan. So now tell us parents के expectations क्या-क्या हो सकते हैं teacher से.
Nilani is saying good point to make their children rank holders. Sasmita is saying to give attention. Deepak is saying parents want them to score good marks. Definitely they want. And that's the harsh reality. Village is saying parents want us to bring best capabilities like marks, public performance, talent. It is more like a peer pressure or
Yeah.
Pragati, do parents think in that way? Be kind to all children or treat all children equally? पेरेंट को हमेशा लगता है ना कि मेरे बच्चे को थोड़ा ज्यादा अटेंशन मिले.
Yes. They feel we are the only one who will understand and bring huge figure.
Okay.
But which
Now, the next point. What do you want to do in your role as a teacher? अब पेरेंट्स का हो गया, अब बच्चों का हो गया, आपको क्या करना है? If you want to become a teacher, what do you intend to do? What do you want to do in your role? More than just covering a syllabus that is given.
I want to be friends with them.
Wow. Freedom to teach
the subject the way I want
Beautiful point.
Motivate them to do better.
हाँ सत्यम, सब टीचर्स का काम अलग अलग होता है, लेकिन आप हमें बताइए कि अगर आपको टीचर बनना है तो आप क्या करना चाहते हो उस रोल में एज अ टीचर? Nilani is saying, create a good relationship so that they can ask me doubts without hesitation. So you want to build relationships, you want to develop personalities, you want to handle them, you want to become a mentor, but some way, you are restricted, isn't it?
Shape even the failures to. I lost that comment. First and
So
foremost
now you
in
want to do so
the
many things. I think there is some problem with my connection. Okay, so there are so many perspectives on if I want to become a teacher, I want to do these many things in my role. But let's say there are some factors affecting internal, external, and systemic factors. What are they? कुछ तो मेरी तरफ से रह जाता होगा, कुछ तो एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स की वजह से, कुछ तो सिस्टम की प्रॉब्लम की वजह से हो सकता होगा. Class size is a
yes,
problem. Madhurima is saying syllabus has to be completed in a
syllabus.
given point. Perfect. Jayashree is saying there are infinite
Infinite
things.
things. But how we fare in that is where we need to see.
Yeah.
Pressure to complete syllabus makes students score marks. Personal life also influences. Time
Time
factor,
factor.
curriculum related factor, strength, curriculum, time limit.
So there are multiple factors affecting on one teacher.
Yes.
Let's say there's a huge school which has 100 teachers, तो हर एक टीचर के ऊपर ये इतने सारे फैक्टर्स अफेक्ट कर रहे हैं. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव पावर्स है, एचओडी की पावर्स है, अपने प्रिंसिपल की है, या फिर आपके कोऑर्डिनेटर की है, या फिर स्ट्रेंथ हो गई, क्लास स्ट्रेंथ हो गई, करिकुलम हो गया, सिलेबस कंप्लीट करने का टेंशन हो गया, फिर वो पेपर करेक्शन का हो गया, सो दे अटेंडेंस इंश्योर करना हो गया, यूनिफॉर्म ठीक से पहना या नहीं बच्चे ने वो देखना हो गया. सो देर आर a number of systemic factors, management rule of course, so which are affecting to become a teacher. Workload, keeping records, paper setting, evaluation, everything. Yes. Now do you think you are limited in any way as a teacher?
A lot.
A lot.
Yes. Yes. Is there any no? Unfortunately, yes.
Okay, so teacher as a being, teacher as a dictator, he's limited or she's limited in a way. As a teacher,
Yes.
yes, but with, okay, Jayashree is saying as a teacher, no, but with all these extra fittings, yes, but that defines a role of teacher, right? Job role.
Yeah.
Somehow it is controlled, isn't it? And that's what the chapter Meek Dictator is talking about. When mass education system came into India, came into existence in the colonial rule, that time they because teaching profession was really a sacred profession in India before that, although it was limited in certain ways, like a Brahmin always used to be a teacher, और फिर क्षत्रिय के टीचर अलग थे, लेकिन when these all boundages broke, at that time caste का फैक्टर जब निकल गया और मास एजुकेशन सिस्टम आ गया, तो टीचर का रोल डिफाइन किया गया, और वो एक बहुत ही अलग पर्सपेक्टिव, एक सिस्टम के रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल करने के लिए उस रोल को डिफाइन किया गया. इसीलिए टीचर्स को किसी सर्टेन वे में ट्रेनिंग दी गई है.
Yes.
नेक्स्ट, नाउ लेट्स जूम आउट. अब आते हैं हम सिस्टमेटिक लेवल पे. यही होता है सिस्टम्स थिंकिंग, और कुछ बहुत अलग नहीं होता है. Yes. From a government's perspective, from a lawmaker or policies perspective, policy makers perspective, कल हमने policy के time भी यही देखा कि there are certain decisions that all of us take, but stakeholders are different, right? In teaching profession also stakeholders are different. अब अगर government के perspective से देखा गया तो why do government needs people to take teaching roles? क्यों चाहिए उनको रोल? क्यों टीचर की भर्ती की जाती है?
Give your thoughts. Share your thoughts.
To reach out to poor kids?
Okay. Right now you are not a teacher, okay? You are a government or policy maker or lawmaker. So think from that perspective. We are playing role play here. So अभी आप सब गवर्नमेंट हो, पॉलिसी मेकर्स हो, लॉ मेकर्स हो, अभी सोचो कि क्या हो सकता है, मुझे क्यों टीचर्स चाहिए, मुझे क्यों टीचर्स की भर्ती करनी है. Think about it. To build schools, colleges or universities. Why? अभी सब लोग टीचर जॉब इज हाफ डे ड्यूटी.
नहीं, देखो, अगर आप पॉलिसी मेकर हो, अगर आप गवर्नमेंट पर्सनल हो, तो आपको टीचर का रोल क्यों चाहिए? एज इन यू आर नॉट अ गवर्नमेंट टीचर, but you are a government person sitting in government, education secretary or people in MHRD, you are that, and then you are thinking about hiring teacher. अगर आपको टीचर्स को अगर आपको हायर करना है, आपका थॉट प्रोसेस उसमें क्या है?
आपका मतलब गवर्नमेंट का. सो अभी आदित्य नहीं है.
अब आदित्य है एमएचआरडी का पर्सनल.
हाँ,
जिसको टीचर की
run their policies. Yes. Shubhangi is saying to run their policies. Okay. Nilani is saying so that the future has good set of people working. Is it so?
हाँ, so basically एक रोल बनाया गया है टीचर का जो आपको फुलफिल करने के लिए. मतलब क्या रोल है वो? मतलब एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल कोई तो बंदा चाहिए उनको, राइट? उनके आइडियाज को टू टर्न देयर आइडियाज इन रियलिटी एंड टू मैन्युफैक्चर सर्टन काइंड ऑफ सिटीजन्स. Isn't it? Do you agree with me?
Certain kind of mindset. To develop certain kind of mindset.
Yes. Cool.
Is there anyone who is saying no, who is disagree?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's go.
Now I will ask you a question. अगर आप एक टीचर हो या फिर वो कोई और एक टीचर है, what is their social status? How does society views a teacher? मैं एक टीचर हूं तो मुझे कोई और किस नजरिए से देख सकता है? Respected? Really?
Illiteracy and achieve.
Really, are they respected? A lot of respect? What else?
Tell us something more than respect or different than respect. Social worker.
Manasvi is saying it depends. Teachers in IITs are respected more. What is a perception, public perception about a teacher,
role of a teacher,
a school teacher? School teacher. हाँ, तो sometimes Manva is saying that sometimes it is perceived that they become a teacher because they didn't get other jobs. They failed in their other careers.
Foundation maker. Okay.
Pragati is saying that okay, they are just a normal human being whose profession is teaching. Are they highly paid? I mean, no, they are not, right? Maybe
Not all.
few government teachers are highly paid, but they are generally not highly paid. Either it is more of respect or it is like ये दूसरे करियर में फेल हो गया और इसीलिए टीचर बन गया है, right? इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर, लॉयर नहीं बन पाया इसीलिए टीचर बना है. Yeah? Okay. So now, what's your story? Why are you becoming a teacher?
Tell us about that. Because we have most of these guys are from teaching professionals, right?
Yeah.
Passion. Lead saying passion. Love being with tiny ones. Okay, Vaishnavi. Anyone else? I am not a teacher. I'm just a volunteer who have been passionate about teaching. So I'm doing it. Okay, Jayashri. I accidentally landed in this profession, but I loved it from that day onwards, not turning back.
Wow.
That's really nice to hear, Liz. Pragati, to help students who cannot afford costly education. Okay? Deepak is saying, want
job.
to be a change maker by being... Deepak is saying, want to be the change maker by being what the best of my teachers had been to me. Okay?
10 to 5 working time. Okay. So see, being a teacher or being, for that matter, in any other job, has a social status associated with that job, right? And
yeah.
If you talk about me in a society, 360 डिग्री अगर आप व्यू देखते हो उस चीज का, तो आपको बहुत सारे ऐसे पर्सपेक्टिव्स मिलेंगे कि जो आपने पहले कभी सोचे भी नहीं होंगे, राइट? इस सिस्टम में कौन कौन स्टेक होल्डर्स है? टीचर के लिए स्टूडेंट एक बहुत बड़ा स्टेक होल्डर है, राइट? और उसके स्टूडेंट के नजरिए से टीचर क्या है वो हमने देख लिया. देन पेरेंट व्हाट डू दे वांट आउट ऑफ अ टीचर? अ स्कूल which is a governing body, उसको क्या चाहिए टीचर से वो हमने देखा. Then a system like let's say teacher education colleges or let's say bureaucracy in teaching, bureaucracy in education. So what they want, or let's say market teaching. Now schools, mainly schools are opened by politicians or let's say leaders in corporates. So they also have to fulfill their social responsibility. That's why they are opening school maybe. So this is also somewhere market driven. And what is system, what is market is getting out of teacher, that is something to understand. What is a humane aspect of this job or role of teacher for the humanity? That's what we are trying to understand here. Now let's conclude. What do you think? What it means to be a teacher in India? Will the next session begin only after this? Yeah, so next session will begin now. We will stop and let me give you a link here itself. Yeah, but yeah. I need this answer. What it means to be a teacher in India, according to you?
A shape maker, to strive and succeed, to make children learn. Okay.
Yeah, so this is the link for the next session. And Anita ma'am's session is not happening on Skype, it is happening on Zoom. We will have to log out now and make Anita ma'am come here.
Yeah.
And guys, it was a lovely session with all of
Yes,
you.
we enjoyed, like, interacting with you guys, because we got so many responses from you all. And see you at 9 p.m. today. Um,
Yeah, this
yeah.
is the link. Now you got it? Yes? Yeah. So please join that session, and we hope you like the session,
Yeah.
because our way of conducting sessions is little different than other facilitators. So if you have anything, please come at 9. We will talk to you, and we will try to resolve all your
All
queries.
your queries and
Yeah.
problems. Yes.
Thank you
So see
so
you at
much.
9 at my Google link, huh? Which is already shared, not Sharvari's link. And Sharvari's session is not happening today.
Yes.
Yeah. So we both will meet you together again.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care.